Hey everyone, this is Jack from Jack's Digital Ventures, and welcome to my Caleb O'Dowd 7-Figure Mini Groups review. This is the Platinum AI Edition. So on today's agenda, I'm going to cover: is it a scam? How does it work? Is it worth buying? And are there better alternatives? Make sure to stay till the end because you'll have all the information you need to make an informed decision. Plus, I also have a special free gift for you. So who am I and why should you listen to me? My name is Jack, and I've been working from home and making money online for the past 4 years. A while back, I was hit with some nasty health complications, and that was the turning point that made me look for ways to make money online. In my struggles, I tried various business models. Some of them worked and some of them did not. But luckily for me, I was able to make enough money to support myself and my medical expenses. All from just a laptop and an internet connection. I was so inspired by my experience that I decided to start Jack's Digital Ventures. So if you like videos about making money online, then feel free to hit that subscribe button to see more content in the future. Quick disclaimer. So I am not an affiliate. That means I don't receive any money from this program or anyone related to the program for making this video, nor do I make money if anyone purchases the course as a result of this video. It's just my honest opinion, so I'll strive to give you a balanced and honest review so you can make the most informed decision possible for yourself. So what is 7-Figure Mini Groups? So it's an online course, and the course teaches you how to make money by creating your own online training for a Facebook mini group. A Facebook mini group is just a group of potential customers that you form yourself. It was created by Caleb O'Dowd. So he's a successful internet marketer who was raised in Ireland and now lives in Miami, Florida. He also has experience with newspaper advertising and has launched other online courses previously. So how does the business model work? First, you're going to use Facebook ads. So you'll advertise a mini group teaching potential prospects how to accomplish something in your niche of choice. So this could be how to make money, how to lose weight, how to wash your dog, maybe anything, etc. Prospects then join your mini group. After they see your ads, then prospects are enticed by your Facebook ads and they end up joining your mini group. Next, you give free training. So you're going to provide value to your prospects by giving them free online training about the niche you chose. This is important to build a sense of trust and likability between you and your prospects, so they're more willing to buy whatever you're selling. Next, you're going to pitch your offer. At the end of your training sessions, your prospects assumedly they'll be happy with the free training you've given them. So you're going to pitch your offer for a paid course that could get your prospects results much faster. So say if you were doing make money online, you taught them a few tips and tricks about how to make money online, and then at the end of your training you say, okay, I hope you like that training, but if you want to go and get results even faster, try this paid course. This could do it much faster for you. And this could be your own course that you made or an affiliate course. Alright, then next you make money, so your prospects, they end up buying your offer and you make money. Okay, so how much does 7-Figure Mini Groups cost? So the course costs $2,497 if paid in full, but there's also a payment plan of 3 installments of $997. So is it a scam? And I would have to say no, it's not a scam. So Caleb O'Dowd has a decent reputation in the internet marketing community, and this is also not his first online course. Plus, 7-Figure Mini Groups also has a refund policy, which gives it a little more trustworthiness. you tend to want to look for that when you look at online courses. All right, so let's go over the good. So I would say the course content is thorough and well made. So he'll teach you through a lot of PDFs and online videos he's recorded, and I would say it's pretty well made. The Platinum Edition in particular, they have AI tools that can save you a lot of time. So these AI tools can write the entire script of your online training, which is fantastic. It's going to save you plenty of time if you're doing this. And I really like the focus on building customer trust, because that is a solid strategy for any business. You cannot have a thriving business if your customers just do not trust you. They think you're just out to get them or scam them or screw them over. So a focus on just being genuine and building trust between you and your customer is a phenomenal strategy. If you can do that in any business you do, you're going to be successful. Okay, that was the good, but let's go over the bad. So, one point I really do not like about this course is the reliance on Facebook ads. I'm not going to lie to you, some people can do Facebook ads and have a thriving business, but for the vast majority of people, if you try Facebook ads, you are probably going to get banned. It is very easy. Facebook ads is a very touchy platform. It's almost too much of a headache it just doesn't seem worth it to me. That's just my opinion. Next, I don't like the fact the lessons are trickle fed to you. And what I mean by that is every week you only get a few of the lessons to work on, and this can be very frustrating if you're a very motivated person. You want to make money fast and you're motivated, but you can't because Caleb O'Dowd and his team say, nope, we gotta trickle feed you. You can't go ahead of the course, and that is frustrating. I don't like that. And next, I would say They do have a refund policy, that is true, but I do feel they're being a little bit sneaky here, because the fact that they trickle feed you lessons means that the time period to get the refund will end before you can fully implement what they've taught you in the course. So you can't actually see if the course works before the refund period ends, which I don't like. It seems kind of like they're saying, let's kind of make them wait before the refund period ends, and if they're unhappy, well, it's too late for them to get a refund. So we can just take their money. And yeah, I feel like if you've got a good course that can change people's lives, why not stand behind it with a refund policy that makes sense? But that's just my opinion. Okay, final verdict. Yeah, just giving my honest opinion here. I don't like being mean, but I would have to say it's not good. Well, while it's indeed possible to use Facebook ads to promote your business, the endless headaches from getting banned on the platform will probably limit your results. And in addition to this, the forced pacing and trickle feeding of information limits how fast motivated students can progress. So, those are the reasons I don't like it. I feel like there are other faster, effective ways to make money, but as far as a scam goes, no, it's not a scam. It's a legit business model. If at the end of the day, if you really want to give it a try, go for it. It's a legitimate business model, but I know of other ways to make money that will give you less headaches, so that's why I don't think it's good. And yeah, maybe you're wondering, so what are these faster, easier, and more effective ways to make money? And yeah, let me introduce you to them. So Let me introduce you to high-ticket affiliate marketing. So it's a business model where you sell other people's products for $1,000 or higher. And the great part about it is there's no need to create your own product, no need to handle customer service, no need to keep stock, no need to hire staff. You can do this part-time or full-time. You can work from anywhere in the world. There's very low startup costs. You can work anytime you want. You can quit your miserable 9-to-5 job with it. You can create passive income for yourself. And most importantly, you can create time and financial freedom to do all the things in life that you love. So how can you get started? You can get started by using my free gift. And you can find that free gift below. It's in the link in the pinned comment below. It's a free ebook called The 3 Proven Steps to Quit Your 9-to-5 Job with High-Ticket Affiliate Marketing. But thank you so much for watching. I'm Jack from Jack's Digital Ventures. This has been my Caleb O'Dowd 7-Figure Mini Groups review, the Platinum AI edition. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want more future content. And don't forget about that free gift in the pinned comment below. But thank you so much for watching. Take care. Have a great day.